Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer money from PayPal to mobile money in 2025. With the latest updates in digital payments, this process has become even smoother and faster. Whether you're sending money to family abroad or just managing your finances, this guide will have you covered in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have the latest versions of the PayPal app and your mobile money service installed on your phone. This is crucial because 2025 brings enhanced security features like biometric authentication. Start by opening your PayPal app and logging in with your credentials. If you're new, you'll need to create an account. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Send and Request section. Here, look for the option to add a new payment method. Select Mobile Money from the list. You'll be prompted to link your mobile money account. This might involve entering your mobile money phone number and verifying it with a code sent via SMS. Don't skip this step, it's what makes the transfer secure. Now, for the fun part, initiating the transfer. Enter the amount you want to send, and double-check the currency exchange rates if you're dealing with international transfers. PayPal in 2025 offers real-time rate updates, so you'll see exactly how much will arrive. Next, add any notes or references for the recipient, then hit Confirm. You'll be asked to approve the transaction using your phone's fingerprint or Face ID for added security. After confirmation, the money should reflect in the recipient's mobile money account almost instantly, depending on your network. Keep an eye out for any transaction fees. PayPal might charge a small amount, especially for cross-border transfers. Always review these before proceeding. And there you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to mobile money in 2025 is straightforward and secure. Remember, always double-check recipient details to avoid errors. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.